What's going on, Froders? Wardog here. I know I haven't been active in the channel lately, but I'm back. Just picked up a new car. It's a 2015 Dodge Challenger RT, 5.7 liter Hemi. It's a V8, so we're gonna go and PLASTI dip the emblems today. I'm gonna show you how to do that, step-by-step tutorial. Max actually just got one about a month ago, and his is 2018, brand new. He's leasing it. I got mine used. It has about 39,000 miles on it, and I'm excited to show you.
It do not matter. Turn to a savage, pocket got fatter. She got me daddy. Smoking that gas, got all that Zany. She on a powder. Nowadays I am on my head. I got sadder. Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster.
And then there's one on this side. Previous owner, she actually PLASTI dipped them purple. Same with the rims. You can still see some. I don't know if you can see, but when they took off the PLASTI dip, couldn't really get all of it off. So I'm gonna have to get like some paint thinner or something, because that stuff's kind of doesn't have that many coats on it, so it's kind of hard to get off. It doesn't really peel off. But then we're also gonna do the Dodge logo on the back, the emblem. So what I want to do first is clean the logos a little bit. Around here, or as little as possible. Today's kind of a bad day because I don't know if you can see, but it actually looks pretty clear. But yesterday when I was at work, I just washed this thing and had a whole bunch of ash that was falling on it just because of the there's a big fire going on, actually kind of far away, but it was spreading this way, the holy fire. So there's still a little bit of ash. I washed this and it's still getting on it, so hopefully that won't be that big of an issue when we're doing this, but try to do it quick, but let it dry as well. So yeah, first just, you know, get rid of all the dirt or surrounding it, and then we're gonna get some I have a microfiber cloth right here too that should work with all the dirt. So next we're gonna get some masking tape and tape it off. Get on your car, and the thinner the PLASTI dip is, kind of a little bit harder to take off, so we're gonna take that off. It's okay if you get a little bit of PLASTI dip on it, doesn't really matter. The stuff's made to come off. And then for the rest of it, since it's gonna take a lot of tape to put on, I'm just gonna get some sheets of paper and put them, you know, around here, just so when you're spraying it doesn't get everywhere. So I got it all taped off. It really looks pretty shitty, my tape job, but honestly it doesn't really matter. It'll get the job done. This tape that I was using, it wasn't like typical masking tape. It was like stretchy, like, I don't know, but it works. So as you can see, pretty much taped off everywhere else. You're gonna be holding the PLASTI dip kind of probably around 4 to 6 inches away when you spray, so you just want those around so all the spray doesn't get on anywhere. Try to make sure that you're not really in a windy environment. I know there's a little bit of a breeze, but it makes it a lot easier if it's not spraying all over the place. So we'll get that done right now. Alright, so when you PLASTI dip, the first layer, you want to do it real light. You want to PLASTI dip so you can still see the chrome or whatever your emblem colors are. You still want to see the base layer. So once I PLASTI dip it, it's just going to be 4-6 inches away. Really light the first layer, let that dry for about 5 minutes, and then you're just going to put on as many layers as you want. Probably going to do 4 or 5 layers, and pretty much you just don't want to see like spotting or drops on it, and then you're going to be good. So we'll start this out. Alright, I'll show you right now. So there's the first layer. It's really not thick at all. It's just pretty much just a base layer, base coat layer. Probably I'm gonna tape this off because I think a little bit, oh no, that's just ash. Yeah, so that's the first layer. Let that sit for about 5 minutes and then do another one. So as I was just sitting here, the Amazon guy came around, got a package, and inside the package are these. These are internal LEDs inside your cab. They're pretty much just an LED strip with an adhesive on the back, and it comes with the remote. You can change the colors. I'm gonna put them out the feet of the inside of the car, just so it has a little bit of lighting. It looks pretty cool, and it's a simple install. This goes straight into the cigarette lighter, and then it's pretty much just a matter of hiding the cables, just tucking them up underneath the plastic. So after I'm done plastic dipping, I'll install those. So I put on a second base layer. It's a little thicker than the first. It's starting to get real dark right now, except these next layers I'm gonna focus on from up and down. So I want to get the top of these emblems right here, just because those are a little harder to get just from spraying straight forward. There is a little bit of ash right there, but it doesn't really look like they're on the actual emblems right now, so this is coming off anyway. So from up and down, and the layer after that, side to side, just get the whole emblems and everything. So I'll show you right now. Kind of getting from up close. Alright, that's how it's done. Once this is drying right now, I went over here and started taping the Hemi on this side. So I'll get a base layer of that going. Still need to tape the other side, so, but I'm happy with the way this is looking. It's looking already pretty good right now. Yeah, just in between each one, just let it dry a little bit and then put on another layer, and it'll be good. So I just added the last few layers to the coat. This is what it should look like. The last few layers. See, you can't see anything. It's still wet because the last layer I did the thickest. This looks bad, so if you were to, want to plastic dip like something that was bigger than just the emblems, then obviously do a lighter coat. But honestly, the emblems, you could hardly tell if it's a bad plastic dip. So I just went hard on the last coat, just because we're gonna want to let these sit for about 30 minutes and then take them off right now. So that one looks like that. Ooh, the Hemi's looking really good, super smooth. Still a little bit of plastic dip right there from the other owner, but whatever. And then this one, let's see. That one's looking okay. It'll do. So let's try the Dodge first. Just gonna take off this. Oh, hopefully it doesn't take off the plastic dip from here. Oh yeah, that's coming just straight off. Ooh, that's so nice. It's looking a lot better. So for the inside, since it didn't come off straight away, I got some toothpicks, and what you'll do is just come in here and just kind of get the plastic dip and just work it out. Oh, that came out. Came out right away. There's a little bit of plastic right here. I'll probably just get like a washcloth or a microfiber cloth and go over it. Let's see if we can get these other ones off. Hopefully they come off just as easy. Yep. See, that's why plastic dip's awesome. You're just coming right off. sounds good. So yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. Just gonna touch up right here with some soap and water. Should come right off. Let's go look at the Hemis too. See if they come off just as easy. Yeah, so right here, when I got the car, it had a dent in it, but in the due bill, we have agreement for them to touch that up. I should be getting that done in the next couple of weeks as well when I go back down to San Diego. And let's see. Woo! I didn't really clear all the dirt off of this one, I kind of forgot. And I got some plastic right there, but it shouldn't be that big of an issue. And pretty much you just want to work it like that. Get off all the stray strands. I'm not gonna touch those right over there because that's where it was on the previous owners. So I'll probably just wash that real quick afterwards. I thought it was gonna be a little harder to take off this plastic. If I thought they were gonna get in the crevices a little bit more, but no, this is coming straight off. I did 4 layers on these and 5 layers on the back, so if you're gonna plastic dip, might do the same. Last layer I did was kind of hard on the last few, so almost perfect too. Just a little touch in. So you probably just tuck it up back there. And this. That off. Probably should have cleaned these a little bit better because now they kind of look bad, but whatever. Just tuck those little back layers back there. There she is. Let's look at the whole car real quick. That's the end product. All blacked out. Once I get the tires on it, it's gonna look really nice. Ooh, that looks so much better. So much better. All right, so got it done. That's how you plastic dip a car.